Hey guys, welcome back to Chicken Collect Stuff. I am Chicken, and today we are going to be checking out Omega from Star Wars The Bad Batch. So without further ado, let's get into it. So of course we have the figure right here, but before we take a look at her, let's look at the box. So there's a figure in there with all the accessories. Omega Kamino. Get to focus there. Star Wars The Bad Batch. There's a picture of Omega right there with like a live action sort of face. I think they went for more of a live action look for her in this. Little animal. And then on the back, it says, born and confined to the cloning facility on Kamino, young Omega serves as assistant to Chief Medical Scientist Nala Se. Offered an opportunity to escape, Omega joins the Bad Batch on their adventures. Alright. So now that we have looked at the box, let's take a closer look. Sorry. So let's open up the package. So there is the figure. Take that off. So there's the figure and her accessories. So now that we have looked at or gotten the figure out of the box, let's take a closer look. So let's take a closer look at the figure. And sorry, I had to zoom in a little bit to the stuff because she and her accessories were so small. So let's look at the figure. So we have her little face. Sorry about the clickety clacketing in the background if you hear that. It's just my dog in my kitchen, or in the kitchen. So we have the little face. Adorable. I honestly think it does kind of look like Tamora Morrison if he was a kid, but as a girl form, of course. And then we got her like head necklace thing. I don't know how to say what that is. So, we got her hair that honestly looks like Palpatine's hair a little bit. Maybe. We got her outfit, little shirt. Sorry about my dog. Got the little armor piece around her shoulders and chest area. Not really detailed that much. We got her body, the white, the blue. And we got her arms with like a little red at the top and then blue and then a little more red. Same thing for the other one. We got the belt, her little skirt that attaches to her outfit. Same pattern as the top part. Got her little pants, dark brown pants, and some boots. So that's the figure right there. Really good figure. Focus. There we go. Got her, like, I don't even know what this is, but it's her pet from the show, I think. I don't even know how to describe this thing. So it has the green back part that almost looks like feathers more than fur. I don't know what this creature is. Got the legs and arms. Got the blue part with the eyes, and the nose, I presume, maybe? If that is the nose, I'm very concerned about this creature. And then we have his mouth, and his eyes, which are really cool. There's a black outline around it with a blue eye and a green eyeball, or blue pupil, I mean. Then we got the mask. Let me turn that over again. Got the mask. Oh my god. Got the mask that she uses in the second or third episode. I think it's third, maybe. It's just the breather mask, or the respirator. And then we got her bow. Her bow with the like pink handle, or like the translucent energy handle, kind of, or like string of the bow, but it's not actually string. I don't think you can hold on to it. We got the handle, the circle in there with the little more energy, couple more details on the gold part, more black there. And then the front part, where the arrows shoot out. And then yeah, that is the bow. So now that we have looked at everything for Omega, let's wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video for more content like this. Bye!